Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and remove page content in Squarespace. Whether you're building your first website or updating an existing one, knowing how to manage your page content efficiently will give you complete control over your site's appearance and functionality. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. On the dashboard, locate the website where you want to add, edit, or remove page content and simply click on it. This opens up the specific site you'll be working on. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click Edit Site. This button is your gateway to making changes to your website's design and layout. Once you're in the editing interface, click Edit to enter the full editing mode. This allows you to interact with all the sections and blocks on your page. Now let's start by adding some page content. Click Add Section to begin. You'll see several options appear. If you want to add a blank page, you can simply click on that option. However, for this tutorial, we'll choose one of the given layouts. Squarespace provides a variety of pre-designed content blocks that make it easy to create professional-looking pages quickly. Just click on whichever content layout you prefer, and it will be added to your page. Now click on the section you just added, and then click the pencil icon. This opens up the content editor for that specific section. Here you can see all the content within the section and make changes as needed. You can edit the text, replace the image, attach a link, alternate the file name, and even add image alt text. Alt text is especially important for accessibility and SEO, so don't overlook it. Next, click Design to access more customization options. Here you can choose between fit, fill, and shape to control how your content will look. Each option changes the way images are displayed within the section, so experiment to see what works best for your design. You can also edit the corner radius to soften or sharpen the edges of your images, apply image effects to add visual interest, adjust the overlay and color settings, change the blend mode for creative effects, and enable the lightbox feature, which allows images to be clicked and viewed in a larger format. If you want to edit a specific block within the section, just click on it directly. For example, if you want to edit text, click on the text block and then click the pencil icon. This will bring up a range of editing options, including font format, text alignment, text link options, and more. These tools give you precise control over how your text appears and functions on the page. Now, if you want to remove content from your page, the process is straightforward. Simply click on any section or block you want to delete and then click the trash can icon. This will remove the selected content from your page instantly. Be careful when deleting, as some changes may require you to publish the site to take full effect, and that's it. You now know how to add, edit, and remove page content in Squarespace, giving you full creative control over your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.